Hello, my name is Ken Weaver, and I'll be your host as we discuss two new high solids Alkyd products, Setal 213610 and Setal 213670. Your new deck can be a source of pride or a source of pain, so it's critical that you choose a deck stain or sealer that lasts. So with all the technologies available, how do you know which one's best for you? Waterborne acrylic emulsions feature low VOC, fast dry, low odor, and easy cleanup. But their failure mode is by flakes and cracks. And as you can see in the picture here, that's a highly objectionable appearance. Hybrid Alkyd dispersions improve significantly over acrylic emulsions in performance because the Alkyd chemistry improves substrate wetting and penetration. Acrylic modification improves the UV resistance, and urethane modification can improve flexibility. These hybrid Alkyd dispersions can also have a moderate amount of biorenewable content. High solid solvent-borne alkyds, long known by contractors to be premium performers, have longer open times for application, they wet the substrate nicely, they penetrate deeply into the substrate, giving excellent adhesion, and they can have high biorenewable content. They also age gracefully by erosion rather than flaking, and as you can see here, that's a much more desirable appearance. They do, however, generally have higher VOC than the two waterborne options. But what if there was a high solids alkyd that had low VOC, high biorenewable content, and a longer life cycle than hybrid Alkyd dispersions? That was the target for this project. Borrowing from our European colleagues' expertise in high solids Alkyd technology, we tested only the best of the best. These were compared to 8 of the leading commercial solvent-borne products and 1 leading commercial waterborne product. Here you see the results of our Xenon Arc screening test. Bare bones formulas are highlighted versus the best waterborne and solvent-borne products. When we refer to bare bones formulas, this means that the formulas contain no UV package and no wax. Here you can see that even without the UV package and wax, the 213610 and 213670 both perform quite well in xenon exposure. The two commercial products, one solvent-borne and one waterborne, also perform very well in this testing. After screening in the Xenon Arc weatherometer, the commercial products and experimental resins were tested using a variety of methods traditionally used for qualifying deck stains. Here we show the results of the best solvent-borne Alkyd semi-transparent deck stain. The results have been normalized on a 5-point scale for dry time, water beating, chemical resistance, dirt pickup, moisture resistance, wet adhesion, xenon weathering, and 21-month exposure on a walkway in Louisville, Kentucky. Even without a wax package, Setal 213610 at 250 grams per liter challenges the performance of the best solvent-borne product at 350 grams per liter. It's very close in dry time, water beating, chemical resistance, dirt pickup, wet adhesion, and on the test deck for 21 months. Addition of a wax and UV package to that formula greatly improves moisture resistance as tested by the swellometer. It improves dirt resistance and improves xenon weathering slightly. Setal 213670 at 250 grams per liter shows significantly better moisture resistance than 213610, even without the addition of waxes. Now let's look at how 213610 stacks up against some 250 gram per liter commercial products. This chart shows the well-rounded performance of the 3610 fully formulated sample at 250 grams per liter. Sample A is the same formula without wax or UV inhibitors. As you can see, there's a significant improvement in moisture resistance as measured with the swellometer, but improvements to weathering were negligible. Sample M, which is marketed as a quick dry product, lived up to its name. Unfortunately, it didn't perform well on the test fence. Sample I was the opposite of M. It was the slowest product for dry time, but performed pretty well on the walkway. Commercial product N was closest to matching the performance of Setal 213610. It wasn't quite as good for chemical resistance, dirt pickup, or wet adhesion, but its performance outdoors was very good. Shifting our focus to the hydrophobically modified 213670, let's take a look at the general performance for the 100 gram per liter VOC samples. 213670, as you can see, is well rounded in its performance. This is the bare bones version with no waxes or UV package. Commercial controls J and L both have similar performance footprints. Both have poor dry times and dirt pickup. One of the two has decent exterior durability, but the other does not. The waterborne control O is in many ways the inverse of the two solvent-borne products shown here. Dry time, dirt resistance, and xenon weathering are good. Water-beating chemical resistance and durability, however, are poor. The 213670 formula checks all the boxes. It combines the durability, water-beating, and chemical and moisture resistance of the solvent-borne products with the dry time, dirt resistance, and xenon resistance of the waterborne. And it does this at a VOC under 100 grams per liter. So how do our new alkyds compare to commercial controls in the real world? Let's take a quick look at performance over two substrates after 21 months exposure. First, let's look at the results over EL2 pressure-treated southern yellow pine. To make viewing a little easier, keep in mind that all samples are run in duplicate. The mate for each highlighted sample will be found diagonally to and either above or below the highlighted box. An interactive version of this presentation is available upon request. In the interactive version, you'll be able to see enlargements of each photograph. Let's first examine the 213610. Both the fully formulated and bare bones formulas were subjectively rated as a 3.5 out of 5 for appearance. Interestingly, the hydrophobically modified 213670 at 250 grams per liter was only rated at 2.75 out of 5. The best of the solvent-borne commercial controls, Control K, rated best at 3.75. Bear in mind that Control K is a 350 gram per liter product, as opposed to 250 grams per liter for the 213610 and 213670 formulations. Of the 100 gram per liter solvent-borne stains, Setal 213670 bare bones match the performance of Control J, the best of the commercial products. So how did the 213670 bare bones 100 gram per liter formula compare to the commercial waterborne product? I think you would agree that 213670, represented by the light blue dotted box, outperformed the waterborne product in the dotted green box in the upper right-hand corner. Again, the interactive version of this presentation will allow you to take a much closer look. Now let's examine the results for the same stains over micronized copper azole pressure-treated southern yellow pine. Most of the products perform better over MCA. Both 213610 and 213670 were among them. 213610 bare bones and fully formulated were equal to the best commercial control in the series, which was in this case Control N. Control K slipped a little in performance and placed second, tied with an experimental product we chose not to commercialize at this time. Of the 100 gram per liter solvent-borne products, 213670 was better than any commercial control. It was also better than the waterborne commercial product, although the Control O did improve over the MCA. Let's summarize Setal 213610 and 213670. Setal 213610 is a new high solids, long oil alkyd with greater than 70% biorenewable content. It is designed to give traditional oil-based penetration and wear in 100 or 250 gram per liter VOC formulations. Setal 213670 is a hydrophobically modified version of 213610. Both of these products have exceptional penetration into the substrate, traditional alkyd performance. They age gracefully, meaning they wear evenly with little or no flaking. They have easy care and maintenance and have high biorenewable content. These products are targeted for wood decks and boardwalks, log homes, privacy fences, arbors and trellises, piers and beams, and exterior wood furniture. Setal 213610 is provided at 97% solids with just a residual amount of mineral spirits. The viscosity as supplied is Y to Z1, and the reduced viscosity at 90% solids and mineral spirits is U to X. The acid value on solids is 10 max, and the color is 10 max. Flash point is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Setal 213610 is approved for TSCA and SEPA. Setal 213670 is also provided at 97% solids and mineral spirits with an acid value of 10 max and a color of 10 max, and also has a flash point of 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The viscosity, however, is W to Z1, which is slightly lower than that of 213610. The reduced viscosity at 90% in mineral spirits is also lower than the 213610 at S to V. We have several formulas that are available for these two products. For 213610, we have a 250 gram per liter cobalt-free high solids alkyd deck stain. This formula contains DMC and our cobalt-free dryer Additol Dry CF100. We also have a 100 gram per liter cobalt-free high solids deck stain formula for 213610, and this one contains DMC. It also contains Additol CF100 and Additol Dry CF300, which are in our cobalt-free dryer series. For Setal 213670, we also have a 100 gram per liter cobalt-free formula. This formula does contain exempt solvent with DMC, and it also contains Additol Dry CF100, which is our cobalt-free dryer. These two new products, Setal 213610 and 213670, round out the deck stain portfolio nicely. Allnix now has the full range of products from high solids alkyds to acrylic emulsions. Our Residrol AY586 and AY6710 are industry standards for deck stain applications, and our Residrol 5547 is an outstanding modifier for improving open time and wet edge of waterborne systems. If you need resin samples, starting point formulas, or formulated samples for your test fence, please contact your Allnex sales or TSBD representative. I appreciate your attention and interest in our products and look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.